morning! Morning, guys! I am enjoying a breakfast in my window. Mainly because this is the only place in the house where I can enjoy some sun. This is just about the only place in the house where I can sit in the sun, because sun hasn't come to the kitchen part of the house yet, so the window it is. Strawberries and chocolate cream. When you're on vacation, you're on vacation.
Sørover gjennom sundet og under brua. Og vi er ferdig her. Ja, ok, vi må se, skal vi gi dem en skikkelig støt, så man svarer. Ta alle ordene, blås til dere makter, og blås i vei!
Making this fun? I don't know if I like the looks of those clouds. They look kind of dark. This could be interesting. This is really kind of pretty. Where you write your name and date and the time that you got here. And you can find these sort of books everywhere on like tourist these sort of walks. They are, I think they are by like local tourists. tourist agencies that they put them out, like the names. I think they have some sort of competition as well, like where they draw names. I think I'm gonna go back where I came from because there are a lot of cows here and I don't want to run into an angry cow. I don't like walking like further when I'm walking alone. You know, just in case there is an angry cow or, yeah. I mentioned earlier that there are cows here, and this is one of the 2 electrical fences that are here to seal them in. So yeah, I do have to cross 2 electrical fences. But it's been there ever since I was little. Well, that one's new actually. When I was little there only used to be the one that's at the beginning of the walk. But I guess maybe there aren't any cows over here anymore because there are no cow marks, there are no like footprints, cow prints. There are no cow prints on the walk and no cow poop or anything. So yeah, maybe they've taken a break from this part of the wood. This is the second one. There. Bye bye woods. Bye bye cows. There are always a lot of water here. Back to civilization we go.